Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Today we're doing number 128. If we start at this box, we're only missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6, but we've got the 6 here. So 3, 6. For this row now, we're only missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 6. No help here, 3, 5, 6. And no help here, 3, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 7. 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1, 7, 9. For this column now, we're only missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 6. 2 and 6 here, so this is our 7. And no help here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 7. We've got the 1 here, so 2, 1. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this box now, we're only missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing a 6. For this column now, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row now, we're only missing a 1. In this row, we're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 3, 5. We can get rid of this 6. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 6, and we can get rid of this 3. 5 here, so 3, 6. So I guess we're just going to plug in here. If we make this our 3, that makes this our 6, 5, 3. And that 3 makes this our 5, 6. And everything looks correct. All right, there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.